And now, your local weather expert forecast on the Eyewitness News, named Best Local Weather Coverage in America by Broadcasting and Cable Magazine.
It's 7:46. Happy Sunday, everyone. A very quiet start to our morning, warm and muggy, and we're beginning to see those clouds increase across the area as we take a live look outside of downtown New Orleans. Temperatures are in the lower 80s, feeling like the mid 80s. Winds are nice and calm at the moment, and of course, it feels super humid out there. Temperatures will continue to climb into the upper 80s, lower 90s once again as we head into the afternoon hours. Taking a quick look at the live radar across the area, scanning the skies, I am picking up on a few showers moving in from the Gulf. Very isolated, really moving over Terrebonne and Lafourche parishes at the moment, and a few downpours within those thunderstorms. But again, things will really start to fire up as we head into the afternoon hours. Taking a look at the big picture here, again, pretty much the setup, not only in our area in southern Mississippi heading into Alabama, where we're seeing those showers and thunderstorms move in from the Gulf. And we do have a stationary front situated to the north of us, but it's going to stay there. But things will remain pretty unsettled today, tomorrow, and really through the rest of the work week. Winds right now are out of the south. Pretty calm in many areas, might pick up slightly through the afternoon hours, but of course we get that onshore flow, meaning the winds are out of the south. That's going to continue to drive up the moisture today. So when thunderstorms and showers begin to pop up over the area, it will certainly have the definitely develop over the area. It will definitely, we could see some downpours in a few of those thunderstorms. So here's a look at the current temperatures: 80s, upper 70s, mid 70s if you are heading out, and temperatures are expected to climb into the upper 80s, lower 90s as we head into the afternoon hours. But notice the rain chances also bumping up once again, and many of us won't see the rain, but showers and thunderstorms will be scattered even as we head into the early evening hours before showers really start to dissipate as we head into tonight. Now, even though temperatures climbing into the lower 90s today with the high humidity values, it is going to feel like the upper 90s and triple digits as we head into the afternoon. So keep that in mind if you are doing anything today. A quick look at your local expert forecast: lower 90s in Houma, Thibodaux, Slidell, and 91 degrees out in Picayune. So tomorrow, if you are celebrating the 4th of July, looking pretty good. Temperatures climbing into the lower 90s, but once again, scattered showers and storms are possible. I put a 50% coverage for showers and storms really during the afternoon hours. I do think we'll be much drier as we head into the evening hours and also tomorrow night for any fireworks. Taking you through today. Right now, for the most part, we are starting off dry. As we get closer to 10, even noon, we'll begin to see showers and storms really start to fire up along our coastal areas. Not until we get into the afternoon, around 3, 4 o'clock, things really starting to bubble up on the south shore, and a few downpours are possible in a few locations. And then as we head into the 5, 6 o'clock hour, we'll begin to see some showers popping up on the north shore. Lots of clouds around, but things are looking much drier as we head into tonight. We'll just see a mostly cloudy sky. Now, as we take a look at the rainfall potential, this is the GFS model. Some areas picking up between 1/2 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch up to 0.33 inches. So again, if you are planning on being outside later on, it looks like the flooding potential will be significantly low this afternoon, and the Euro showing pretty much the same thing. So they're in pretty good agreement in terms of the rainfall potential. So that's great news. Real quick, what's going on in the tropics? Now we have the remnants of Colin that will continue to dissipate through the afternoon hours. It is running into a lot of wind shear, and also a cold front is approaching it. So not really an issue along the eastern coastline, but we are looking at a tropical wave now entering the Caribbean. It has a 0% chance of any tropical development because it will be moving into an unfavorable environment. And we're still watching Tropical Storm Bonnie, which has crossed over into the eastern Pacific. Not a threat to the area, but it could potentially become a hurricane as early as tonight. So real quick, there's Colin. Most of the convection is off to the east, not really causing much of an issue to coastal North Carolina. But Tropical Storm Bonnie really getting its act together. You can see that wraparound convection. It is moving to the west at 16 miles per hour with maximum sustained winds of 60 miles per hour. So it is going to continue to strengthen because it is entering a favorable environment, not a whole lot of wind shear. And again, the water is very warm. So it is expected to become a hurricane as early as tomorrow morning, and it can potentially become a Cat 2 hurricane as we head into your Tuesday afternoon. But the good news is really not an impact to any land as it continues to move parallel to Mexico, and then it'll continue to head out over the Pacific Ocean. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 90 today, 50% coverage for showers and storms. A few downpours are possible. 4th of July, 92 degrees. We'll see more showers and thunderstorms through the afternoon, but looking drier tomorrow night. And again, the weather remaining pretty unsettled through the rest of the work week.